In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the outer tie rod on your Acura MDX, located behind the front wheels. Let's get started. Here on the front left, using a 19mm socket, we're going to remove the tire. Remove the tire. We're going to remove the cotter pin, and for that, we're going to use cutters. Straighten them out and pull from the bag. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to remove the nut. Now that the nut is out of the way, we're going to tap right in this area. That's going to pop the outer tie rod. Slide it out and move it out of the way. Now that we have the tie rod out of the knuckle, we're going to remove it. And in order to do that, we're going to spin it and count the turns. That way, when we put the new one, it's going to be roughly around the same area. Start the outer tie rod by hand. To reinstall, just go back the same amount of rotations that you did when you took it off. Like I mentioned, this is just going to get you close. Now we can slide the outer tie rod onto our knuckle. Start the knot by hand. And in this case, we're not going to be using a cotter pin because this knot has a lock on it. Now we're going to snug it up using a 22mm socket. Now that we have it snugged up, we're going to torque it to 44 foot-pounds. At the end of this job, I would highly recommend to bring your vehicle to a professional alignment. Now we can install the tire back on. Start your lug nuts by hand. And snug them. Now we're going to torque down our wheel to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.